like David, when you are young, you're exuberant, but sometimes you lack the wisdom to know when to say, what to say, how to say it, and where to say it. And I tell you, you don't take on all the fights that come before you. You have to be very smart, especially in this difficult, very combative political environment. Yes, and there are footprints that you leave behind you. So you don't want people to think that you are in the gutter with them. Come out of the gutter. I mean, when I started on this program, that's why I don't go on lives. I mean, I stopped on yours the other night, Kimmy. I remembered when I was in the space early and I used to kind of mouse around and somebody called me and gave me that piece of advice. I said, neighbor, come over them live because they only want to trap you. Some of these PNP lives you go on, oh, they would be so happy to have neighbor over there. They will not have me. When I finish my live at that time, I go to my bed. You understand me? I'm not going there because they want to embarrass you and damage your brand. And then they clip it and post it, and it's all over social media what they did with you and how they embarrassed you and what they said. They're looking forward.